Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today's haul is going to be mostly, if not all, about skincare. This video is going to contain the Jake Jamie Revolution collaboration and I'm so excited to try it. I may or may have not been inspired by one of the masks to create a funky look. Leave your guesses down below. If you would like to know what I bought on Beauty Bay and what Jake Jamie's collaboration looks like, what I think of it, just keep on watching. First of all, I am so freaking happy Revolution is collaborating with influencers on skincare. Little insight into my brain. You know, a girl can dream, and I was thinking about a collaboration and what brand I would love to do it with. In complete honesty, I don't think I would collaborate on makeup. I would probably collaborate on skincare. You guys know me for my foundation reviews and my acne, and so many people in the world suffer with acne, and I would want to collaborate on a product that is for acne prone skins, but I'm just kind of throwing it out there, sharing it with you guys. I was thinking about Murad and how much I love the blemish treatment. It has helped my skin so freaking much, and that just brings a smile to my face. But I've rambled so much already. If you want me to make acne skin journey, let me know. Let's get into the haul. Please excuse my chipped nails, excuse the tank top. I know I'll be putting masks on and I don't want to ruin my nice tops. So here it is. If you recognize that beat, if you don't, what have you been doing? Go on to Beauty Bay. You will end up spending at least 30 quid just to get a taste for the website. I love Beauty Bay. Okay, I've got my stuff here. You always get your invoice. And the first thing I'm going to whiz through is the non-skincare stuff that I bought. I bought the Ordinary High Coverage Foundation. I've seen Nikkie use this for the past 3 months and she's a full coverage queen. I want to test this out. I want to test it on my oily skin. If you want to see that video, hit the like button. Let me know down in the comments below. Unfortunately, and I think it's because of Nikkie, almost every single fair shade is sold out. I had to go for like a light in the light spectrum. I think it might be a little too dark. The worst thing is that it's yellow undertones, but we'll see. It'll be good enough for the test. I am so happy for this. Revolution, Tammie, a second collaboration. This is the Tropical Carnival Shadow Palette and I'm so excited. I'm not going to swatch anything because I think I want to do first impressions on it. Again, let me know if you want to see this palette in action. Why is it so hard to open? That wasn't satisfying at all. I do like that sound though. I'm just being weird now. It looks so sleek, so cool. I love the packaging. I forgot what the actual palette looks like. Oh, it's black. Ooh, yes, girl. Wow. It looks really nice. It looks expensive. It was £10. Ho, 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 ho. It looks so good. Oh my God. And I love the layout. Ooh, okay. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. This will be a separate video. I can't. Okay, now we've got that out the way. I want to do the cute thing they do on Instagram. From the Jake Jamie collaboration, I bought 3 things. I bought the Feed Your Face watermelon mask. This looks so freaking cute. And the cacao and oat mask. This is essentially a charcoal mask. I thought this would be a great like detoxifying mask. And then I bought this one because it was hydrating. So this and this should be great for my personal preference. Let's try this on because I know they smell so good. I'm gonna open it from the bottom so I don't wrestle with the tops. The underneath is usually a lot easier to open. Oh my God, I am actually getting hungry. I just straight up want to eat this. This is unfair. Why can we not eat this? It smells like a chocolate pudding. Yeah, like oh, you know what it smells like? Oh my god. They like Italian buns. They like doughy Italian buns with chocolate. It smells like that and I want some. And I didn't get a brush that I could apply it with. Am I going to do it the old-fashioned way? Oh my god, I am actually getting... Are those bits of chocolate? You have to be kidding me. I full-on want to eat it. But I know Revolution did specifically on their website, it does say to not eat this. I'm just going to leave that mask there. And I'm going to straight away apply the hydrating mask. So it's the watermelon one. I don't like the smell of watermelon. So to be completely honest, I have no idea why I bought this. Maybe Jake Jamie will do his magic and I will fall in love with watermelon. How cute! Oh, I can smell it without taking the cap off. Yeah. Ooh, Jamie. Okay, I love this too. And I don't even like watermelon. Seriously, I hate watermelon. Everyone in the family eats watermelon and is like, have some. And I'm like, no. Am I gonna put these on my cheeks? And kind of use the cap to spread it out actually. Oh yeah, it's a warming gel, isn't it? Yep, I can straight up feel the warmth. Ooh, yes. You can always use the cap to apply it. I really like it. It just brings you so much joy. I feel like I'm in a spa right now. Speaking of that, I'm just going to put a timer on for 10 minutes, lay down for a bit and enjoy my mask. Okay, so it's been more like 5 minutes, but I have things to do, so I will be doing something like this on the weekend. Oh my god, this is going to be so good. I'm more excited about the watermelon mask than the chocolate one. I mean, this smells amazing. Like, I really want to eat it. I really want to eat it. But the watermelon mask is like, it's a bit like a warm bath at the end of the day when you have a very exhausting day. It feels like that, but on your face. I'm going to take my wet flannel and clean my face. It's actually not that hard to clean off. I had charcoal masks where you have to like really rub your skin. This isn't that. As always, I have rubbed my face. It is going to be agitated. That redness should go away. Let's see if it does. In the meantime, I'm going to talk about the Spritz Tropical Quench Essence Spray. Oh, I'm so excited. You know I love spritzes like this. And my favourite is the Be Hydrated Hyaluronic Acid Facial Spritz from Superdrug. It's so good. It's cruelty-free and vegan. I even love the smell of it. But I'm pretty sure I will love this smell even more. Let's see. Bitch. It really is like vacation in a bottle. If you love coconut, oof, this is it. So I do have a little bit of redness remaining on my nose. Ooh! But it got rid of my blackheads. I mean, I know that's the point. I didn't think like 5 minutes of it will clean my skin so nicely. Oh, got a bit of chocolate near my nose ring. Ah, great. It is a little bit red still. It does feel good despite a little bit of redness. It could have been the flannel. They have included an arrow which tells you where the hole is. I really like that because sometimes I'll grab a spritz and I'll spray it in another direction. Great, I've got it on my top as always. The hydrating ingredients in this is castor oil and glycerin, of course. It doesn't feel too sticky actually, because I was worried because it's glycerin, it tends to give you like a sticky base. My next product, which I bought and I wanted to try for bloody ages, the Revolution Hydration Boost Moisturizer. It's a lightweight hydrating gel cream. It also has that cap. Ooh. No smell, which is fine. I actually do like that. Unlike the masks where you rinse them off, this will stay on your skin, so it's good that it doesn't have too much fragrance. Ooh, I like the texture. Okay. Oh my god. This, if you have oily skin, this is everything. You can see it's water-based, and that's what moisturizers for oily skins need to be. For a oily skin, you want something that will hydrate without making you oily or make you break out. This, haha, this will be amazing. Sunken in, you can tell my skin is a little bit glowy. It's nicely hydrated, but not oily. Just in case you do want to get these things, I will go through the prices. The Jake Jamie masks are £8. The Tropical Quench Mist was £6. And the moisturizer, the Hydration Boost, was also £10. As you can see, you don't have to spend a ton of money on your skincare. Just know your ingredients, just know what you need for your skin. I personally gave these a massive, massive, massive thumbs up. I feel like I can smell them through the jar. Like I said, I'm not a massive fan of watermelon, but I actually do prefer this mask over this. Well done to Jake Jamie. I hope you have enjoyed this skincare haul, try on haul. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. Make sure to let me know if you want to see those types of videos in the future. If you want me to talk about my skin, if you want to talk about skincare, let me know what you want to see basically down in the comments below. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time.